Now that my loom is cut and I have cut my strips, it is time to start weaving, and I need to pick some strips out of the bin. I am looking for some contrasting colors. So I want them to stand out. I want them to be very different than the colors that I have used. The last color I would want to use would be a green. Clearly not the green that I have done, but even a green that someone else has created. It just doesn't make it stand out enough. I could probably do a purple. Do you see how that purple really stands out compared to that green? And I might even be able to get away with a blue purple. But we definitely want to stay away from any of the greens. Now once you have about 6 or so strips, then you're going to start weaving. When you weave, you want to remember the importance of going over and under and over and under. So we have flaps here, and it's tight at the top. We're going to be lifting up the strips that we're going to go under, and then we're going to slide across the strips that we're going to go on top of. I have sort of like some orange ones or red ones, and then I have more of a purple or a red violet. So I'm going to create a pattern with my 2 different colors, and I think I will start with the orange. It does not matter if you start on top or if you start under. You just want to make sure that when you do it, you are consistent all the way across. So I'm going over, under, over, under. I slide it on top to go over. I lift up the strip and pull it through to go under. And I'm just going to go all the way across. Now that I have this strip all the way across, I want to make sure that I sort of scooch it up as far as I can. Now I have my first strip in. Next, I'm going to go with the other color, but this time I have to go opposite. So if I'm over here, I have to go under this one. So I go under, over, under, over. And it's a little bit easier if you work further down on your weaving so that you can just pick it up and slide it through than it is if you try to do it really tight. And now that I'm over here, I'm going to slide this up, sort of scooch it up. It might work easier if you flip it, turn it around, and pull it, push it towards you. But the goal is to have these sort of corners touching so that it's nice and tight like a checkerboard. So now I have 2 done. I'm going to continue until the whole weaving is full.